Hi, I'm Thomas Long with Railey Realty. Today we're going to talk about tips for buying a second home. After the video, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Before purchasing your second home, you must know what you gotta have. What's important to you? Perhaps a private boat dock, or just lakefront views. Or maybe, like my family, your pet is part of the family, so you gotta have that grassy yard. You really have to define it as what you're looking for. Something else to consider is the homeowners association in the area of the home you're looking at. That HOA may offer amenities or things that you really care about and might satisfy some of the things that you're looking for in your second home at Deep Creek. What if you're interested in renting your second home for additional income? There's other things that you must consider. Two of the big ones are, one, does the community allow for short-term rentals? And then secondly, does the home meet licensing requirements? As far as licensing requirements, there's a lot to consider. Sometimes some issues can be fixed with a manageable cost and maintenance, perhaps like the size of a window. Other issues like perhaps not enough parking or bedroom/septic use, those are things that may not even be able to be remedied at all, even with a lot of cost and expense. So if maximizing your rental potential is one of the things you're really concerned about, location is very important. And of course, Railey Vacations can help you discuss that further. If you are planning to finance your second home at Deep Creek Lake, it's going to be best to use a lender locally that is familiar with all the nuances here of Garrett County. We have the names and contact information of many lenders locally that can help you finance that second home. Since this is your second home and you're not in the area all the time, maintenance of the home is something you really must consider. What about upkeep on the outside, in addition to all the inside things, but what about snow removal, grass cutting, the paint, the gutters, all those things you have to consider because you want to make sure that things are maintained in a proper way. Some of these concerns your HOA can actually handle for you. Other ones, please reach out to myself or another agent at Railey's and we can help provide you the names of local providers that can help you with these items. Thank you for watching our video, Tips to Buying a Second Home at Deep Creek Lake. We'll see you next time.